Welcome back, children. Today we are again going to discuss the chapter 2, addition. The topics that we are going to discuss today is they are adding two digits with one digit, and the second one is adding two digits with two digits with regrouping. That means with carryover. So let us take one example for understanding. But before that, children, we need to understand what is this regrouping. Suppose if I take this place value of tens and ones, you will understand why I have taken tens and ones and not only one digit. Now suppose I add 9 plus 1. Now since they are one digit number, we place 9 here, and just below we add 1. Let us add this. The result we get is 9 plus 1. We all know what is it? Yes, that is 10. We get 10, right? Now how to represent this 10 here? 9 plus 1, 10. So the ones column, ones digit, we are going to write it down here, but there is one carryover, that is 1. This carryover we are going to carry it to the tens place. That means from here we write down the ones digit here, and we take the carryover here and we add it here. That means to the tens place. So 1 plus again nothing means 0, then 1 plus 0, that becomes 1. So actually this is the concept of this is the concept of regrouping. That means carrying over the to carry over the in hand tens to the tens place. Okay, applying this concept, we are going to see how to add two digit numbers with one digit as well as with two digits. Let's see. So children, we take one example, 45 plus 6. Okay, I'll show you how to add these two numbers, that is the two digit number with the one digit number, and this is an addition with regrouping. Again we place the numbers just below the place value. So 45, and since this is one digit, this is 6. Let us add. Now 6 plus 5 becomes 11. Now 11. Here this one digit, ones digit, we are going to place just below ones, that is here, and we are going to carry forward this ones. We are going to carry forward this tens column digit to the tens column. That means from here we are going to take it here, and we are going to write 1 in the tens column. This 1 we have to add with the tens column digit. That means 4 plus 1, that becomes 5. So our answer is 51. So till now we were doing without any carryover, but now we are going to carry over the tens column digit to the, we are going to take it to the tens place, and then with the tens place digit we have to add it directly and place it just below the tens column, right? Now let us take one more example. I'll take it from your book only. Now let us take one more example, 71 plus 9. So again we will add in the same way 71 and 9 here, then simple addition. So 9 plus 1 gives us 10. So in 10, the ones digit we are writing just beneath the ones column, ones place value, that is 0, and the 1 that is carryover, that we are going to carry over here. Let it keep here, and here we have to add this carryover with the digit that is present just below the tens place, that is 7. So 7 plus 1 we get 8. So our answer is 80. So this is how we have to do addition with regrouping in case of two digit number. the concept is same even for higher digits that you are going to learn in higher class. The next part that we are going to discuss is addition of two-digit numbers with two digits. Let's see. Let us take another example. 64 plus 27. I'll just rub the board. Now again here we are going to add 64 and 27. These are the two addends and we have to find the sum. So placing this under the place value chart, 64, then just below we write the second addend, that is 27. Now we do a simple addition. Now 7 plus 4, we again get 11. So here we write 1 and again in hand we have one carry. So that carry we are going to carry over here. Let us write it in this way. This carry over 1. So now under the tens place we have two addends. Earlier we used to have only one addend. Now we have two digits. So 6 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. So this is how we have to do. So 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. So our result is, our sum is 91. We write it here, 91. So children, this is pretty simple. Sorry. So this is how we are going to do addition of two digits with one digit and two digits with regrouping. The next class we are going to discuss about addition of three numbers with regrouping and without regrouping, right? So till then, bye bye.